So I'm Sue Dunkerton. I'm Director of the Healthtech and Medicines Knowledge Transfer Network. We're really supporting the Technology Strategy Board in the delivery of this programme, and it's very much around how we can support them in tackling some of the major societal challenges, particularly those things that are addressing health and social care. Okay, so we're here in London. We're at the third of three competition briefings that we've been running for the long-term care revolution. And what we're here at the start of a sort of a journey, of an exciting journey, where we're looking at radically changing the institutional model of long-term care. And it builds on a programme of work we've been doing for over 5 years now in the whole assisted living and independent living space, where we've now moved into addressing one of the big gaps that we've identified, which is really where people, as they are becoming older and may have some impairments, and they may come to a stage where they need some form of care, either for cognitive or physical condition. And really the models for providing that are inadequate today. So what we're trying to do is tackle those major problems and move forward. And this particular workshop is one of, as I say, one of three where we've really reached a lot of enthusiasm and had some fantastic groups of people come along from very different walks of life to try and see how people can work together to address this particular challenge going forward. So the challenge is one of the major need that we see, the sort of demographics of an ageing population. Particularly what we're seeing with an ageing population is people are suffering with various sort of conditions, and what we want to try and say is that the way that those people are supported today is not fit for purpose, and how can we move things forward. And we're very much around how do we actually say we don't want to look at an incremental change in that, how do we radically change that model. And to do that, we don't think we just need the same people that are in there today. There's some really good experience in that, and we want to capture that. But actually, we think that we can bring in some very creative ideas from outside. And so the whole process through this is to look at a sort of more creative way of bringing different people together, people that have their own sort of experiences, their own ideas and creativity. And how do we get people from very different walks of life, very different experiences, from business, from academia, from the health side, from the social side, from the creative sector. How do we get them to come together and try and tackle what is a major problem, but look at providing some innovative solutions towards that. And this really is part of a process that has a route to get people together into a sandpit environment, but we're also very conscious that with the wealth of enthusiasm that we're meeting already through people through the workshops, that there are other things that we can do alongside that, and we really want to sort of create some more of a groundswell of people talking about this, looking to see what it is they can do in their own walks of life, in their own businesses and organisations, of how they might change things too. The revolution is important because one day it will be us, it will be me. It's very much about I want to live a different life in the future. I don't want to live the life that some people are maybe living today. I want to still aspire to the things that I do and enjoy, and we believe this competition and the force behind it will really take us to a new way of living as we move forward into older life.